Good morning, everybody. So it's Thursday and it is 7:49 a.m. EST US on June the 10th. Okay, so let's move. Big picture. Yesterday on Twitter and on other forums, I sent live. I said, watch that 10,000 Dow Jones cross recross. It is key. Look again at the tweets here, right there. See, that was the tweet, Twitter, that was our Twitter thing. So see previous tweet. Dow was 10K 22 hours ago. Right there. Dow Jones today 10K key, the 10,000. We had a cross recross. So I'll show you a Dow Jones. As a matter of fact, let's look at the Dow Jones quickly on the daily. So you see you have the same 1, 2, 3 formation that I told you about Victor's Poundeo, which is an extremely powerful formation, chart formation. So what it is you have a higher lows, higher highs since March. You finally broke here and we are towards the bottom of the channel of the 1, 2, 3. If we crack that 9800, 9820 area, this is bad. This is bad for the Dow Jones. Okay? Now, 10K is a psychological number. If we can sustain above that 10K, we are in that channel still. Okay, so just keep an eye on that because this is very powerful. Also, you are changing the ES from September to June, sorry, to September. So you have to be careful of the discrepancies of contract because you have discrepancies of prices in the ES. So if I zoom in the 1, 2, 3 in the ES before we do the power zone, you see we're still very, very hard trying to hold here that that area. Okay, so this area being what? This 51 that I called for a long time here, that 51. So okay, so as long as we hold that 36 low, 40.75 low, we are still in the channel. That's the bottom line. The day we break that 40.75, 36.75, this is bad, bad, bad for the ES. Otherwise, this is a summer range here. Okay, 11.36, 11.40 to the 10.36 to the 11.36, 11.40. That's it. That's what it is. Okay, so the key that I said is watch that 51 too, because I said if we stay below 51, then we go revisit 36, possibly 32. Okay, we are sustaining that 51 so far. Okay, that's it. So let's go for the power zone for the day and see what we can use as far as support and resistance. By the way, yesterday the power zones were extremely accurate. There was a zone. Watch yesterday's videos on YouTube. Extremely accurate, called 73, 74. You know that cross recross here, let me show you, would have been very powerful if, and that's the big if, you are in front of the computer at that time. See, we started the morning going up, cross recross the zone. Okay, see, those are automated zone based on what I have done for 15 years, and they are helpful. You know, they are becoming a decision tool for us live. That is extremely helpful. See, right there, you had the cross recross of the zone. Okay, cross recross. You had two zones actually. You had one at 74.5, which was bullish, and the 72.5. When they recrossed 72.5, it was pretty much game over, especially when they repassed the open. Okay, so they changed here, but the open yesterday was 67, so you can see kind of the open, and boom, and the cross recross that 57 I call on Twitter for the moment. Okay, so what's the deal? If we can hold that 57 area, we are going to play ping pong again between 57 and that yesterday's open, which is the 68, 67.5, 68.5. Above 68.5, you still have the major issue from yesterday, the 74. So the longs are really going to start squeezing if we can close an afternoon above that 73 area. Okay, otherwise there's a lot of ping pong here. You have 57 now, right there. Okay, area going to the 67, 68, and again a retest of that 74. Okay, and that 74 failed, and it coincided, it was in synergy with the cross recross of the Dow Jones 10K. So watch that Dow Jones, everybody. Extremely telling yesterday for cross recross of that Dow Jones 10,000. Okay, that's it. So that's what you have on the ES right now. Okay, now let's go to the Euro power zone. Like I said, the Euro is retesting that 121 area. Look, okay, waiting for the zones to come and calculate. Hold on. It's see, it's stuck here between that 119.40 and that 119.80 to the 121 area. We've called this one for the past couple of days. As a matter of fact, the euro is in my opinion, like here, it's sideways. It was sideways, boom, 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 and now it's breaking a little bit for the retest of the 121. See the pen? Let me show you. You were there. That was the sideways right there between two power zone right there and there, and he finally break, went to the next power zone there, the blue line, and he could retest all that cluster in the 121, 121.80 area. That's the big resistance on the power zones for the euro. So if you trade those day trading zones here on the euro, I even call for a couple of days, don't touch the euro. It's not interesting for me. I'm waiting to see that it breaks the parallel. See yesterday's video to the 121, and that's what it's doing slowly but surely. But this is a big problem here on the euro. That 121, 121.80 will be huge. Okay, that's it, everybody. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. We will have a surprise, like I said. We will come for everybody who is in the daytrading.com database with some time of a streaming surprise that I want to offer to people, but we have not yet decided to the format. So stay tuned. Make sure you are in the database, because I will not make a lot of noise. There'll be a lot of beta testing. So just stay tuned. Be in the database if you're interested, and we'll see. Okay? Take care. See you next week. Stay safe, everybody.